Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. This video will give you a little closer look at self-tapping screws that we carry. We call them weather seal screws. They work for anything, but we use a lot of them in installing weather seals, brush seals on the bottom of the door, perimeter seals around the door like entry doors, weather seal kits. We also use them as a pin to hold weather seal in place. We'll run one of these screws through the retainer into the weather seal to keep the weather seal from moving inside the retainer once we've got it set and cut, and it's just how we want it. These will hold it in place. It beats crimping the ends of the retainer sometimes to run one of these screws in. But anyway, they are a white finish, a brown finish, and a regular mill finish, which is just the screw itself. They're Phillips head, self-drilling and self-tapping. You put a Phillips bit in your driver, and this will drill its own hole and make its own threads. Nice little screws. We sell them in various quantities up to 1,000 pieces. If you need more than 1,000 pieces, give us a call, drop us an email. We'll take care of you. Thanks a lot.